Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a ATI Radeon 7500 that's usually in a Power Mac G4 and had it fit perfectly into a Power Mac G4 cube. Has plenty of cubes. The best card is of course the GeForce 3.
Best card, and it's relatively cheap. I tested this in my Quicksilver right there, so works fine. So you can see there's this bracket right here. Of course, the cube doesn't use that. So I found some kind person, 3D designed some brackets that you can just literally swap on. It's right here. So Thingiverse, thing 1665153. Thanks to this. So these two are made out of steel. This one's uncoated steel, I believe. This is black powder coated, and this is aluminum. Yeah. I'm gonna skip on this part.
P2, P1. Alright, and there's the bracket off. You clearly see the difference because the cube is has a much smaller opening, but it fits the VGA and it fits the ADC port, and all the bolts and fasteners go in without any modifications, and also there's no software modifications needed as well, which is really convenient. So this is the aluminum one, and let's see, I feel like the aluminum one is the right way to go, but I'm not sure about that. And of course there are no threads. I could have, put some threads into the SCL file, but I think it's all good. Put a little bit of pressure, maybe. Yeah, it's a little too loose. Alright, try this. Yeah, that's not working. Alright, I guess the aluminum doesn't work. I'm gonna try the steel one. Yeah, the steel one is much more sturdy. Try it. I have a tap and die set, but I don't feel like getting it right now, so. Oh yeah, that's threading in perfect, yeah. So make sure you get one made out of steel. Don't really loosen it a bit. The other one's in. VGA boards. Alright, awesome. Alright, I'll continue when it's all finished. And there we go. A stock ATI Radeon 7500 from my PowerMac G4. Now is a plug and play VGA card for any cube. Well, thank you to all who managed to make it to the end of the video. I tried to make it as short as possible, but you know, I have two 7500s in there. I have a G-Force 3 in there. I have plenty of cubes, and all of them were upgraded, so I may make more videos about them one day. Yeah, alright, well, I really appreciate all who watched, and I hope I can, help out someone with this video.